1932 Ford Model B street rod. Not your average 32 Ford, is it? This has a crate GM57 350. GH400 automatic transmission. Overall, in great shape. Now you will see a few blemishes on the front here. Nothing too crazy. By the way, if you do not like the open concept here with the side panels for the engine compartment, we have them. So you could actually attach them. There's some cracking as well on the front passenger fender, but everything that I just referenced is right here. There's the extra fender, there's the side panels for the engine compartment, and a spare as well. Back to the truck. This has had quite a bit of work done. It is really nice, pops right off. We'll give it a start here in a minute. But the radiator has recently been replaced. Plugs and wires have been replaced. This has four-wheel disc brakes as well, so he's got them all the way around. 95% on the pads up front, by the way. 90% on the rear. Tires are good, dated from 2016. Around the back here. Look at that dual exhaust. Really nice bed. You can see that polished wood there. And hey, does it get any more American than that? A Hamm's beer cooler. I love that. And he's done some really nice work on this. Low car shifter, I'll have to look at that when we get inside. Rear coilovers with 4-link suspension. Original steel body. Ford, by the way. Mustang 2 front end for suspension. Now there's a blemish with this. The driver's side glass on the driver's door has some crack in it, as you can see that. But other than that, this, I mean, just taking a look inside this truck. Nice original instrumentation on the dash. A whole pile of documentation if you want more information on how this vehicle was built. And there's the controller for the Kenwood aftermarket. Another closer look at the driver's side here. Remember, after the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. He's going to bring you along. And if you have any questions, by all means, call our sales associates at 507-386-1726 or visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. And on our website, by the way, you will see a host, and I mean a ton of pictures. And they get it up on a rack you can see underneath and all around the vehicle, usually upwards of 100 photos online. So again, uniqueclassiccars.com. What do you say we jump inside real quick here and give her a start? Let's first open this hood up. All right, a little better look at that crate 350. Let's jump inside and give it a crank here. work. It's got new cap plugs, wires, aluminum radiator. Really nice work on this truck. Nice idle. I'm going to give you a step around back here. Sound of that Crate 350. Nice rumble. So there you have it, 1932 Ford Model B. Any questions? By all means, give us a call, 507-386-1726. And you can visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, stick around. Jason's gonna take it out here for a drive, and he's gonna bring you along for the ride, give you a real good visual and descriptive nature of what it's like to drive this street rod. 1932 Ford Model B.
Attaboy. I'll be there.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1932 Ford Model B pickup truck. Think Model A, but a pickup truck. Street rod, so it's easy to drive. We got V8 power. We have an automatic transmission with a long stick on the floor. Beautiful diamond pattern on a buckskin colored interior. Stereo mounted overhead from Kenwood. Tachometer to the left of the steering column is working from auto gauge. The rest of the gauges from Classic Instruments. The speedometer working. Temperature reading 160 right now. The oil pressure is 60 psi. And the volts are charging at 14 volts. Handles beautifully. Stays flat in the corners. Over to the far right, there is a fuel gauge that's reading an eighth of a tank. A little bit of slack in the steering. Very nice driver down the road. Looking good inside and out. The headliner matches that also diamond pattern interior. Find all the pictures of this 32 Ford pickup truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.